is the penultimate poya of the year. This is the last poya of Vassana, the rainy season. So Karnapingama also should be ended with the end of the year poya. The Karnapingama is considered one of the highest meritorious deeds in Buddhism. During this time, Buddhist monks stay inside their premises due to the heavy rains. This roughly happens for 4 months, and with the Iroquois it marks the end of the rainy season and the conclusion of the 4-month retreat. There are many other important facts about the Buddha Sasana, also associated with this poet day.
ඉල්ලන වචනය සිංහල භාෂාවෙන්ම ප්‍රභවය වූ වචනයකි. හීල සීතල යන අර්ථය ගෙන දෙයි. වස්සාන කාලය අවසන් වී සීතල කාලයේ හෙවත් හේමන්ත ඍතුව ආරම්භ වන්නේ ඉල් මාසයේදීය. වස්සාන සමයේ හෙවත් වසාර මාසයේ ඈත අතීතයේ සිට බෞද්ධයා බොහෝ පින්කම් කරන කාලයකි. ප්‍රථම 3 මාසයේදී පුංචි පින්කම් කොට චීවර මාසයේදී ඉතා උසස් ලෙස සිවුරු පූජා කිරීමේ කටින මහා පින්කම සිදු කරයි. කටිනාස්තරණය විනය කර්මය කළ හැකි අවසාන දිනය අද වැනි ඉල්පුර පසළොස්වක පොහෝ දිනක යෙදී ඇත.
On Il Full Moon Poya Day, a series of meritorious activities come to an end, and Il Poya Day is of special significance to Buddhists due to other religious events that have taken place on this day. The positive assurance or explanation to Maitri Bodhisattva of becoming a Buddha, the beginning of the first Buddhist missionary activity by the 60 Arahats, attainment of Arahat Sariputta's Parinibbana, Arahat Sariputta's assistance to his mother, Pasuvas Pavarana, the lake invitation ceremony are some of them.
සම්බුද්ධ ශාසනය පිළිබඳව වැදගත් කාරණා රාශියක් මේ ප්‍රභූ දිනය හා සම්බන්ධ වේ. මෙත් බෝසතුන් විවරණ ලැබීම, ප්‍රථම ධර්ම බුද්ධ සේවය, සරියුත් මාහිමියන්ගේ පිරිනිවන් පෑම, පසුවස් පවාරණ, දෙව්ලොව සිටි මිනිසුන් ලොවට වැඩවීමෙන් පසු වදාළ දේවාවරෝහණය, බුදුදහම හඳුන්වා දීමෙන් පසු ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ ප්‍රථම ස්තූපය වන ථූපාරාමයට සම්ප්‍රදායට අනුව මුල්ගල තැබූ දේවානම්පියතිස්ස රජතුමා විසින් කරවන ලද ප්‍රථම චෛත්‍යයෙහි ගෞතම බුදුරජුන්ගේ දකුණු අකුධාතුව දළදා වහන්සේගේ දකුණු හකුලෙහි තැන්පත් කිරීම අද සිදු විය. සියවස් ගණනාවකට පෙර.
The positive assurance or explanation to Maitri Bodhisattva to becoming the Buddha. Maitri Bodhisattva had completed the Paramita during the period of Solos Asankhya Kalpana Lakshana, the performance of Buddhist ordinances as a precursor to become a Buddha. He parted from heaven during Gautama Buddha's period and was born as a son of rich nobleman. He completed his study under Disapamok. He had the occasion to see Devarapanaya, Mahapuja and listen the discourse between the Buddha and Arahat Sariputta. He was delighted and entered in the ordinate of Sangha. This sailor observed us and received a couple of valuable Vassana Chivaya and know with the effect of Katina. He offered both to Buddha. With one of them he had canopy for the Buddha's fabulous house Gandhakutiya. Lord Buddha explained the merits of Kopari Chivaya and gave Niyata Vivarana, the permission becoming a Buddha.
Sending missionaries. By the first full moon Poya Day after the Buddha's enlightenment, there were 61 Arahants, including the Buddha himself. There were 5 Brahmin ascetics, Kondanya, Baddiya, Vappa, Mahanama and Asachi. Kondanya was the youngest of the 8 Brahmins who were invited for Prince Siddhartha's naming ceremony. He foretold that the prince would certainly become the Buddha. Together with Baddiya, Vappa, Mahanama and Asachi, who were the sons of 4 other Brahmins, he retired to the forest in anticipation of the Buddha's renunciation. After the enlightenment, Buddha expounded Dhammacakkappavattana Sutta and the 18 Arahantship. Kondanya was the first to realize the 4 noble truths and the 8-fold path to Nirvana. He was followed by the others.
60 Arahantas to propagate Buddhism. Charita Bhikkave Charikani. Thus, by the first ill full moon Poi day, after the enlightenment of Exalted One, there were 60 Arahantas excluding Buddha himself. Buddha dispatched them in various directions to propagate sublime Dharma. Buddha requested the first 60 Arahantas to go forth for the good and happiness of many out of compassion for world, for the good, benefit and happiness of gods and men, and preach the Dharma which is excellent in the beginning, in the middle and at the end.
It is better to seek oneself than to seek a missing woman. On his way to Uruvela, the Buddha met 30 young men. 29 of them were with their wives. They had gone to a grove for amusement. The 30th prince, who was a bachelor, had taken a courtesan, and that woman had fled, taking with her with the valuables of the others. When the princes were gone in search of that woman, they met Buddha, and he explained to them that it was better to seek oneself than to seek a missing woman. They realized the truth, and all entered the order and attained the higher ordination.
Ordination of Jatila brothers. The Buddha proceeded to Uruvela to be of service to the Jatila brothers who lived in Aramayans along the river Neranjana. The eldest Uruvela Kashyapa, who was proud and arrogant, lived in the upper part of the river with 500 followers. Nadi Kashyapa, who had 300 followers, lived in the middle part of the river, and the youngest Gaya Kashyapa lived in the lowest part of the river basin with 200 followers. Buddha first went to Uruvela Kashyapa's Aramaya and subjugated him by displaying 3016 miracles. Uruvela Kashyapa, who realized the truth, entered the order of Sangha with his followers. The Buddha also preached Dhamma to Nadi Kashyapa and his followers, who too entered the order of Sangha. Gaya Kashyapa and his followers too entered the order of Sangha in the same manner. The Kashyapa brothers and their followers could now understand Buddha's doctrine without much difficulty. Consequently, after they heard Buddha's preaching of Aditta Pariyaya Sutta, all in flames, they attained arahantship.
Buddha says to King Bimbisara at Rajagahanura. In keeping with the promise made to King Bimbisara, Buddha proceeded to Rajagahanura accompanied by 103 arahants including Uruvela Kashyapa, Nadi Kashyapa and Gaya Kashyapa. King Bimbisara went with the following to receive the Buddha and pay respect to him. It was a difficult task for King Bimbisara to realize whether the Buddha was a disciple of Arahat Kashyapa or Arahas Kashyapa was a disciple of the Buddha. It so happened because Arahat Kashyapa was held high with esteem as an ascetic. After reading the king's thought, Buddha questioned the fire worship. In order to clear the king's doubt, Arahas Kashyapa explained why he had given up fire worship and said that Buddha was a unique one and his teacher and that he was his disciple.
Offering off Veluvaramaya, the bamboo grove, the king and the people were happy about the clarification. In order to indicate that the Buddha and Uruvela Kashyapa were similarly converted in previous worlds too, Buddha preached Mahanarada Kashyapa Jatakaya. Having understood the Dhamma, King Bimbisara attained Sovan, the first of the 4 paths to Nirvana. He invited Buddha and his followers to his palace for dana, and after offering dana, he also offered the bamboo grove Veluvaramaya for the use of the Buddha and his disciples.
Attainment of Arahat Sariputta's Parinibbana. It was a subsequent Ilpoya day. Arahat Sariputta Thero was Dharma Senadipati and one of the Buddha's chief disciples. There was a very intelligent youth named Upatissa, is also by the name Upatissa. He had 3 brothers named Upasena, Chunda and Revata. He also had 3 sisters named Chala, Upachala and Sisupachala. Young Upatissa renounced his ancestral religion, Brahmanism, and followed the teachings of Gautama Buddha. All his brothers and sisters followed his example, but his father, Vendatha, adhered to Brahmanism.
Arahat Sariputta's assistance to his mother. His mother, Rupasari, did not believe in threefold refuge and remained heretic even during her old age. Arahat Sariputta contemplated as to whether she possessed the virtues of attaining nirvana by the cessation of all desires and of very existence, and realized that she could attain so on. Hence, after obtaining permission from the Buddha to attain Parinibbana, Arahat Sariputta visited his mother, followed by hundreds of thousands of weeping people who had heard about Mahathera's Parinibbana. Arahat Sariputta preached to his mother the virtuous properties of teachings of the Buddha. After listening to her son patiently, Brahmi Rupasari gave up her beliefs in heathenism and attained Sovan. Arahat Sariputta Mahathera was happy that he could repay his mother for bringing him up. After being of service to many, including his mother, Arahat Sariputta Thera attained Parinibbana on an ill full moon day. අගසම් සැරියුත් මහරහතන් වහන්සේ අන්තිම වරට බුදුරජාණන් වහන්සේ දැක ස්වාමීනි භාග්‍යවතුන් වහන්සේ මම දැන් ජරා ජීර්ණ වෙමි. මෙයින් සත් දිනක් ගියත මම මේ ශරීරයේ බහන්නේමි යයි පවසා වැඩම කොට සත්වැනි දිනයේදී නාලික ගමේ තමන් උපන් ගෙදරදී ඉල්පුර පසළොස්වක් පොහෝදා පිරිනිවන් පෑහ. මෙවන් උතුම් ශාසනික සංසිද්ධීන්ගෙන් අනුන වූ ඉල්පුන් පොහෝ දිනයේදී අපි සියලු දෙනාම දානාදී පින්කම් සිදු කරමින් සීලාදී කරුණා මෛත්‍රී ආදී ගුණධර්මයන් දියුණු කරගනිමින් භාවනාදී ප්‍රතිහිණී නියැලෙමින් සකල ධර්මයන් දියුණු කරගනිමු. මේ ගෞතම බුදු සසුනේදී චතුරාර්ය සත්‍ය ධර්මය අවබෝධ කරගෙන මේ බියකරු දුක්ඛිත සසරින් එතර වෙන්නට වෙරදරමු. ඒ පිණිස උතුම් තිසරණම පිළිසරණ කරගනිමු.
Wish you all a blessed and a peaceful Ilpoya day.
අපි දකින්නැති බණක් අහන්නැති ඒ කාලේ